In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to purchase Hostinger, a straightforward process that should take about 5 minutes. Whether you're starting a new website or searching for reliable hosting services, Hostinger offers various plans to suit your needs. Let's begin by opening your web browser and navigating to Hostinger's official website. Once you're there, you'll notice a clean and intuitive layout designed to make your buying experience as seamless as possible. Now, to proceed, look for the login button at the top right corner of the page. This will direct you to Hostinger's login page, where you have the option to either log in if you have an existing account or sign up if you're a new user. After successfully logging in, you'll be taken to the Hostinger homepage. From here, you'll want to locate the Marketplace section. This is your next destination, and you can find it easily on the main menu. Once you click on Marketplace, you will gain access to a range of available hosting plans and services. Take a moment to explore these options, as Hostinger offers a variety of packages that cater to different requirements. Moving along, look for the Explore Plans button. Clicking here will allow you to delve into the specific details of the hosting plans available. You can compare features, prices, and see which plan best fits your particular needs. Remember, selecting the right hosting plan is crucial, as it lays the foundation for your website's performance and scalability. Hostinger provides a user-friendly comparison chart that can be incredibly helpful at this stage. Once you've settled on a plan, proceed by clicking the Select button next to your chosen hosting plan. This action will add the selected plan to your basket, taking you a step closer to finalizing your purchase. Now it's time to choose your preferred payment method. Hostinger accepts a variety of payment options to accommodate different customer preferences. Whether you wish to pay via credit card, PayPal, or any other method available, make your selection and follow the prompts to complete your purchase securely. And there you have it, you've now successfully purchased a hosting plan on Hostinger. All that's left is to set up your website and you're ready to go online. Purchasing hosting services can often seem daunting, especially for beginners, but with Hostinger's user-friendly interface, the process is quite straightforward. If you have any questions or require further assistance, Hostinger's customer support is available to help round the clock. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful in your journey to bringing your ideas online with Hostinger. Stay tuned for more tutorials, and happy hosting!